In the upcoming Lok Sabha elections 2024, Kolar constituency in Karnataka braces for a showdown between M. Mallesh Babu of JDs and K.V. Gautam of Congres. Scheduled for April 26, 2024, Kolar's electorate, dominated by SC/ST and Vokkaliga communities, awaits a decisive contest. Congress Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar is confident of reclaiming the seat, citing historical party dominance. Emphasizing the party's manifesto, Shivakumar rallied behind Gautam, the Congress candidate, pledging support for his candidacy. BJP's Muniswamy, the current MP, secured a resounding victory in 2019, with BJP holding a significant edge. After the 2019 elections, Kolar anticipates a fiercely contested battle amid shifting political dynamics in Karnataka.